Continuing our 3.1 to 3.3 quiz review, we're going to solve these solve by elimination questions. So elimination, what we want is we want to either eliminate the x terms or the y terms. In this case, I don't think there's really a better choice. So I'm going to go ahead and eliminate the x's. Well, in order to eliminate, it's most helpful to have the same coefficient but opposite. So how do I get a 4 to look like an 8? Well, we can multiply this bottom one by a -2. So the top one will stay the same, 8x minus 4y equals 20. The bottom one will be -8x plus 2y equals -18. And again, we multiplied by -2, so we would have these matching, kind of matching, but opposite terms, 8x and -8x. So when adding those together, they become 0. And then -4y plus 2y is -2y. 20 minus 18 is 2. And divide both sides by -2. And we get y equals -1. Well, we're not finished. Now that we've done that, though, this is when we go back to substitution. You don't have to eliminate to find both terms, although you can. And we're going to plug y into one of our two equations. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in the top one. So we have 8x minus 4 times y, but we found y was -1, equals 20. We'll subtract 4 from both sides. 8x equals 16. Dividing both sides by 8, we get x equals 2, and we need to put our answer as an ordered pair. So 2, -1, which if you plug that back in, it will work for both equations. And number 6. 6, unlike 5, we can't easily multiply by 2 to get -3. Or -3 to get 8. So for number 6, we're going to have to multiply both equations by something. I'm going to go ahead and eliminate the x's again. It doesn't always have to be x's, but I'm choosing x's because one is positive and one is negative. And so we want to find the common multiple of 3 and 2, which is 6. So in order to get this to be a 6 or a -6x, we're going to multiply by 2. And we're going to multiply the bottom by 3. So when multiplying the left side, distributing this 2 would give us -6x minus 6y equals -18. And the bottom equation, distributing the 3, we get 6x minus 24y equals 78. And then it's set up to eliminate. So -6x and 6x is 0. -6y, -24y is -30y. And -18 plus 78 is 60. Dividing both sides by -30 gives us that y equals -2. And we can plug this back into one of our originals. Let's plug it in the second equation for no real reason. So we have 2x. We have this equation here. 2x minus 8y equals, we're going to plug in 8y, but y was -2, equals 26. 2x plus 16 equals 26. Subtract 16 from both sides. We get 2x equals 10. And so dividing both sides by 2, x equals 5. So our answer is the ordered pair 5, -2.